Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept confined to science fiction or research labs. It is already deeply integrated into our daily lives, driving recommendations on streaming platforms, enabling smart assistants, diagnosing diseases, and optimizing logistics. But what lies ahead is far more transformative. The next few decades will usher in an era where AI reshapes not just how we live and work, but also how we think, interact, and evolve as a society. This text explores the future of AI, its potential impacts on the present world, and actionable strategies to adapt to the changes it brings. Chapter 1. The current state of AI. To understand where AI is going, we must first examine where it stands today. AI systems have achieved significant milestones in natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and decision-making. GPT-based models like ChatGPT have demonstrated the power of language models to understand and generate human-like text, while image generation tools like Midjourney and DALL-E have shown creative capabilities once thought uniquely human. AI is now being used in healthcare, diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatments, drug discovery, finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, credit scoring, transportation, autonomous vehicles, route optimization, customer service, AI chatbots, virtual agents, manufacturing, predictive maintenance, quality control. Despite these advancements, we are still in the narrow AI phase, systems designed to perform specific tasks. The future points toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, where machines can perform any intellectual task a human can. These innovations have redefined efficiency, productivity, and innovation. Yet they also raise questions about job displacement, ethical use, and human relevance in a machine-augmented society. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, understanding its current trajectory is essential to predicting its future impact. Chapter 2. AI in the next decade. Over the next 10 years, AI will become more embedded in our lives through hyper-personalization. AI will tailor content, education, healthcare, and even products to individual preferences and needs. Workplace transformation. Many routine and repetitive jobs will be automated. Creative and strategic roles will be augmented with AI assistance. Smart environments, homes, cities, and workplaces will become intelligent, adapting to human behavior and optimizing resources. Enhanced human-machine collaboration. Tools like AI co-pilots, voice interfaces, and brain-computer interfaces will blur the lines between human thought and machine execution. Emerging AI technologies will reshape education through adaptive learning systems, allow real-time translation across languages, improve access to medical services in remote areas, and even accelerate scientific discovery. The transition will not be without friction. Traditional industries may struggle to adapt, and individuals lacking digital literacy risk being left behind. But the benefits of AI, including increased lifespan, better work-life balance, and global problem-solving capabilities, can outweigh the costs if society plans for them. Chapter 3. Economic disruption and opportunity. AI will disrupt global labor markets. According to estimates, up to 40% of jobs could be automated in the coming decades. Roles in data entry, transportation, customer support, and even legal and medical fields are at risk. However, AI will also create new jobs: AI trainers, ethicists and auditors, robotics technicians and maintenance workers, data annotators and curators, creative professionals enhanced by AI tools, educators and trainers in digital and soft skills. A study by the World Economic Forum projects that while 85 million jobs could be displaced by AI and automation, by 2025, 97 million new roles may emerge that are more adapted to the new division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms. The key to navigating this economic shift is reskilling and upskilling the workforce. Governments, organizations, and individuals must invest in continuous learning. Workers must develop resilience and adaptability to thrive in environments where tasks and tools evolve rapidly. Universal basic income has also entered the conversation as a potential buffer against large-scale job displacement. While still controversial, UBI may offer a safety net while individuals retrain and industries recalibrate. Chapter 4: Ethical, Legal, and Social Implications. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI systems make more decisions, questions arise about bias and fairness. AI can perpetuate or even amplify human biases in hiring, lending, and policing. Privacy. Surveillance systems powered by AI can erode civil liberties, autonomy, and control. Who decides how AI systems operate and evolve? Misinformation and manipulation. Deepfakes, AI-generated content, and automated bots can distort truth and sway public opinion. Algorithmic transparency and explainability must become standard. Black box models, where decisions are made without clear logic, must give way to systems where users understand how conclusions are drawn. Ethical review boards and regulatory bodies must oversee the deployment of impactful AI systems. The European Union has taken a leading role with its AI Act, which categorizes AI use cases into risk levels and imposes specific obligations accordingly. Other nations are exploring similar frameworks, though global consensus remains elusive. Societal trust in AI is vital. People must feel confident that AI systems are built with accountability, align with human values, and are free from undue corporate or governmental manipulation. Chapter 5: Education in the Age of AI. The traditional education system must evolve to prepare students for an AI-driven world. Key shifts should include teaching digital literacy and critical thinking, emphasizing creativity, collaboration, and emotional intelligence, incorporating AI tools to personalize learning, encouraging lifelong learning through micro-credentials and online platforms. Students should be taught how to work with AI, not just how to use it. This includes understanding how algorithms function, recognizing the ethical implications of AI decisions, and developing the cognitive flexibility to transition between roles and industries. Educators themselves must be retrained to facilitate these changes. Schools and universities should integrate AI into curricula, not just as a subject, but as a tool for administration, assessment, and engagement. Parents have a crucial role in nurturing curiosity and ethical awareness about technology. Conversations at home about digital responsibility, screen time, and the implications of AI can help prepare children to navigate the future confidently and conscientiously. Chapter 6: AI and the Human Identity. As machines become more intelligent, we must grapple with philosophical and existential questions. What does it mean to be human in a world where machines can think? Can AI have consciousness or emotions? Should we pursue transhumanism, enhancing human abilities through AI integration? Rather than competing with machines, we should focus on complementing them. Human empathy, morality, and intuition remain irreplaceable. Art, music, literature, and spirituality are realms where human essence finds expression. While AI can mimic creativity, it lacks intentionality and emotional depth. Preserving and nurturing these uniquely human domains is essential to maintaining our identity in a machine-augmented age. Transhumanist thinkers envision a future where brain-machine interfaces and genetic engineering could enhance human capabilities. This raises profound ethical questions. Should we embrace these technologies to evolve, or resist them to preserve our humanity. The balance between technological enhancement and philosophical grounding will define our future trajectory. It is vital that we remember our shared humanity amid rapid progress. Chapter 7: How to Adapt to the AI Future. Here are practical steps for different stakeholders. Individuals, stay curious and keep learning new skills. Use AI tools to boost productivity and creativity. Understand basic AI concepts and ethics. Businesses, integrate AI strategically to enhance value. Invest in employee training and change management. Prioritize transparent and explainable AI. Governments, create adaptive regulatory environments. Provide universal access to digital education. Support vulnerable populations during transitions. Educators and parents, foster a growth mindset in children. Introduce coding, AI, and digital ethics early. Encourage humanistic and interdisciplinary learning. Adaptation must be proactive, not reactive. Those who anticipate change and position themselves accordingly will not only survive, but thrive in the AI age. Conclusion: shaping a future. We want AI is not a distant possibility. It is an immediate reality with long-term implications. Its future is not predetermined. We have the agency to guide its development toward inclusive, ethical, and beneficial outcomes. By preparing ourselves intellectually, ethically, and emotionally, we can ensure that AI remains a tool for human flourishing rather than a threat to it. We must approach AI not with fear, but with curiosity and responsibility. Technology is a reflection of our values and intentions. Let those be grounded in empathy, wisdom, and a vision for a better world. Let us not fear the future, but shape it with wisdom, compassion, and vision.